Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable announce notifications through headphones on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings page we scroll down and then tap on Notifications. Next, scroll down to the Siri section and then tap on Announce Notifications. And here tap on Headphones. So tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on the headphones option. When this is turned on, Siri can read out notifications when supported headphones are connected. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.